Right, so now we're going to cover how to play an executive summary, and you may have already done this if you've completed the Trailhead Trail for Einstein Discovery. It's really simple. You just go into a story, and I'm in the AP distribution story that was provided to us by Salesforce via their Trailhead Trail. And you just click Play Summary. And so then it goes through it and plays the executive summary for you in a nice little robotic voice. It's pretty cool. And it tells you what happened and why. And I'm going to turn my speakers up.
In the average product, the expected margin of a transaction is 34.85. It increases by 15.39 inches the case where product is belt drives. This is because of the following key factors. It increases when product is belt drives. Margin is...
So you get the idea there. I'm going to close and read full story to go back to the actual story. And so if I were to return back to the summary by clicking Play Summary, it generates it again. And we're going to be going into how to turn on discovery mode and what that means, and then as well how to personalize these stories in the executive summary, and also viewing and changing recommended insights inside of executive summaries in the next following lectures of this section. But as you can see, this is very interactive and intuitive, and it's a good way to actually just watch the data flow through and listen to the feedback. And it gives you a way of having Einstein Discovery summarize the information for you audibly in case you're like an audible learner, and it can really help you to unearth or discover some insights in ways that you might not if you were just scrolling through a screen. And so beyond the executive summary for the AP distribution data set, you could go through and do the one for Netflix. You could view the story, for example, and then depending on how you've set up your data set or your insights that you've already set up, you play the summary there and let that generate as well. And let me turn the sound back on for a second and see what
in the
they
average
have to say about
rating, the
Netflix.
expected user rating score of a transaction is 84.09. It decreases by 8.494 inches the case where rating is TV. This is because of the following key factors. It decreases when rating is TVY. Rating description is 70 to 90, is associated with lower user rating score and occurs less often. Rating level is suitable for all ages.
All right, so now that we know how to play an executive summary, now it's time to turn on discovery mode and learn more about that. So stay tuned.